Dear students, Tenses Academy is presenting a series of visual self-tests of tenses. Since exams will be held on laptop screens in the future, so our academy has decided to facilitate these students. This is aqeel. Let's start our two-day self-test. I dash playing the flute. Choose the correct helping verb. Am. He is dash next week. Choose the correct form of verb. Arriving. They are dash to dinner on Sunday. Coming. She dash French nowadays. Is learning. We dash at this moment. Are studying. It dash at present. Choose the correct form of verb. Is raining. The baby dash for milk now. Is crying. The girls are dash netball. Playing. The boys dash their homework. Are doing. Hadi dash to new school next week. Is going.